I enjoyed myself to the max. Ready again. But before we head to another dance, let's see where you can go this weekend. Here's the intense party listing.
So I have Romeo with me and she's going to tell us about Caribbean Fashion Week. Romeo, what's going on?
Loads are going on. I mean, we have the big gala coming up on Thursday, the 8th. Of course, the Caribbean Fashion Collections on Friday, June 9th,
Nice.
10th and the 11th at Villa Renai. Big, I mean, for the intense audience, I'm sure they'd love to hear that Alkaline is showing a collection
Nice.
on the Friday night. We're trying to change up the Friday night a bit. We're having an urban party edition of Caribbean Fashion Week, and so you'll have the fashion collections as well as Dexter Daps will be performing that night, and then
Nice.
there'll be a big party afterwards. So, you know, we're hearing a good buzz about the Friday night, and we're looking forward to that specifically because Friday nights traditionally has been like a soft in terms of people coming. It's Jamaica, so they love partying, so we thought,
Yes.
okay, we have to key into that to get people out a young vibe there, and so we're excited about that. Saturday, traditional big designer night,
Nice.
master designers, mailings, Gavin Douglas, Lois Samuels, who was a model, you know, and she's doing collections now, is coming back to show a collection. We have Janelle Williams, who will be debuting her swimsuit collection, and she has a
Nice.
killer body to die for.
So I have Inspector Linroy Edwards with me and he's going to tell us about powerful men and women perform for charity. Inspector, what's going on?
Yes, the annual staging of the Powerful Women and Men will be held at the National Indoor Center on Sunday the 4th of June.
Nice.
Gates open at 4 o'clock. Showtime 6 p.m. Which will feature over 80 government officials, politicians, captains of industries,
Nice.
professionals and entertainers.
Don't force it, you know. Intoxicated. 10th of June, Roxborough Beach Sentence, and that event there, crazy. You know, whole heap of artists, Spice, Tammy Lee, Razor B, and you know you have the new talent them like me myself, Chinchilla, Progress, Miserably. So you see the 10th of June, R Road lead to Sentence Roxborough.
Alright, so what is the admission like?
You know, admission of 15 bills and VIP 25.
Okay, so what is going to make Intoxicated intense?
Intense in a sense where Intoxicated is also sponsored by Rumfire.
It's a charity event. Where are the proceeds going?
Well, it's going back to schools in St. Anne's. I mean, we don't have it in schools, and we also have a summer league for the kids them down there. We have get footballs and jerseys and stuff like that.
So I have Kim with me and she's going to tell us about Ripples. Kim, what's going on?
Okay, so Ripples, the Ultimate Bikini Rave, is basically a pool event, but we're bringing it to the beach this time, and the theme is called Hawaiian Beach Paradise,
Nice.
which will be held at Ultra Beach Portmore beside Waves Beach. That's Sunday, June 11, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. We have food inclusive, complimentary tattoos before 8, 1,000 after.
Of course, remember to party intensely, but always drink responsibly.
Up next, the Unruly Boss gives intense and exclusive hookup. We'll soon forward.